Now exercise 10.4, exercise 10.4. Okay, for exercise 10.4 we need the following formula, that is first one, that is sin squared theta plus cos squared theta, which is equal to 1. Second, sec squared theta minus tan squared theta, which is equal to 1. Third one, cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta, which is also equal to 1. And the reciprocal relation, that is sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta, and cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Second one, cos theta is 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta, which is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Third one, tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta, which is equal to 1 upon tan theta. This formula we will use to simplify the sum. Okay, now question number 1, we have express the trigonometric ratio sin a sec a tan a in terms of cot a. That means we have to convert sin a, tan a and sec a in terms of cot a. Okay, we have to convert these three things in terms of cot. That means we have to use the formula. Okay, so first one we start with the solution of this. So we start with the in triangle ABC. We know that in triangle ABC, suppose angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay, we have to assume the right angle triangle. We know that cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, this is identities. Now this cosec I will convert in terms of sine. So 1 upon sine I can write. So this will become 1 upon sine square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Now take the reciprocal. So this will become sine square theta, which is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cot square theta. Therefore sine theta is equal to, taking the square root, so this will become 1 upon 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so now I have converted the sine in terms of cot. Okay, now we have to convert tan in terms of cot. So we know that tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. It is reciprocal relation. Therefore you can write tan A is equal to, sorry, this is cot 1 upon cot A. So this we can directly write, because this is the formula already we have. So tan we can write in terms of cot A. Okay, now we have to convert sec in terms of cot. So we have to use the identities of the sec theta. So we know that sec square theta, or sec square theta, which is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So we can write as this as sec square A, which is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Okay, now tan A I can write as, which is equal to, tan I can convert in terms of cot, so that will become 1 upon cot square A. Now you can cross multiply this, so you will get sec square A, which is equal to cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A. Okay, Now you can take the reciprocal of this number, so you will get sec square, no, not reciprocal, sec square a, which is equal to cot square a plus 1 upon cot square a. So sec a is equal to cot a upon root of cot square a upon, sorry, this is cot square a upon, this is also cot square a 1 plus minus. Okay, so this is your final answer, that is sec a in terms of is equal to plus minus root of 1 plus cot square a upon cot square a. Okay, this is the way how we can convert. That means two formula we have to use: reciprocal relation and the inverse form.